Hello, everyone. This is Xavier Hunter, and we're going to go and talk about this significant risks of severe weather for most of North Carolina on Monday. So, our system is currently located in the northern Midwest here, with this area of span located here. This area will bring significant severe weather to Indiana and Ohio and Kentucky later on Sunday evening. And tomorrow, the same area will bring our own risk for severe weather on Monday. So currently, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for severe weather for most of central and eastern North Carolina. Damaging winds, large hail are the main threats, though a tornado can't be ruled out. We're expecting a line of supercells in western North Carolina to develop early Monday afternoon. As they move east, these supercells will begin to merge and will have one intense line of complex thunderstorms moving east to our area by the evening, and should move out of our area by early Tuesday morning. In addition to the severe weather risk, we also have a risk for flash flooding as well. We have the Weather Prediction Center has issued a slight risk of severe weather, excessive rainfall leading to flash flooding. We do expect about an inch or two of rain, and because we also had a lot of rainfall last week, up to at least 5 inches or more for some areas. This one quick 1 to 2 inches of rain will cause have a chance of more flash flooding for our area with these storms as well. Here's precipitation. Again, mostly everyone should see, most of central and eastern North Carolina should see up to an inch, maybe 2 inches of rain here by the end of these storms. So let's look at what the ingredient looks like for that's going to make up for these storms here. So first thing I have is CAPE, convective allowing potential energy. This is basically the amount of energy in the atmosphere. We're gonna have temperatures in the low 90s. We're gonna have dew points in the 70s, and that's gonna bring a lot of CAPE to our area, and absolutely plenty. We're looking at at least 3,000 CAPE for most of North Carolina. That's gonna be plenty enough to support thunderstorms and intense thunderstorms. Once these storms start to develop, they're going to go up very, very fast. They're going to go up very, very fast. Our next thing I like to use is bulk shear. Bulk shear basically helps the storms keep being storms, basically. And as long as you have a lot of bulk shear in the atmosphere, these storms will likely remain long-lived, as you can see here. This line right here I have on starting Monday night. Plenty of shear, 30 to 40 knots. These will, like I said, will help keep these thunderstorms going all the way to the coastline. And then also you have lapse rates, and lapse rates are basically the amount of how much the atmosphere is, how much outdraft is in the atmosphere, basically. So how are the storms going up into the atmosphere? So plenty of lapse rates, over 7 degrees. This will also support the large hail risk here with these supercells in western North Carolina, as well as they head east here. So yeah, this will keep these storms explosive. They'll maintain thunderstorms all the way to the coastline as well. So I have two model runs we're going to use. We're going to use the NAM model and the Euro model. See how they look right now. This first model is the NAM model, which starts the storm development at 4 p.m. I do think it is a little bit too late. I think we're going to start having thunderstorms develop at 1 to 2 p.m. in western North Carolina. So again, supercells will develop here initially with basically a large hail and damaging wind risk. These storms will then begin to, when we get to 7 p.m., these storms will merge into one line of complex thunderstorms by 7 p.m., and then continue to move east by 10 p.m. past the Raleigh-Durham area, and then move on to the coast by Tuesday morning. The HRRR model basically does the same thing. develop thunderstorms by 4 p.m. I did, like I said a little earlier, I believe 1 to 2 p.m. Supercells initially with large and damaging wind threat, and then merge into a complex line of thunderstorms with a main threat of damaging winds and large hail. And possibly, if you do get, you could hit these kinks in this line here, and that could also create a threat of brief isolated tornadoes as well. But again, damaging winds are the main threat. Again, the line complex storms moves to the area by 7 p.m. to central North Carolina, moves through the area by 10 p.m., bringing the threat over to eastern North Carolina, and then heads out to sea by Tuesday morning. We do have a chance of showers and thunderstorms after this line moves through, but these showers will be non-severe. So again, key points here: severe weather likely Monday, enhanced risk for most of North Carolina. We are expecting supercells to develop in western North Carolina by 1 p.m. By 1 p.m. By the late afternoon, these supercells will begin to merge into one line of complex thunderstorms. They move through central North Carolina in the evening and be offshore by Tuesday morning. Like I said, with the timing, basically 1 p.m. the storms develop, move into turn into a line of complex thunderstorms basically by the late afternoon evening period. They move through central North Carolina during the evening and then head out to sea by early Tuesday morning. Again, damaging winds are the main threat as well as large hail. Tornado risk is again low, but not zero. You could get a tornado off the kinks of the MCS or mesoscale convective system. And again, heavy rainfall is also a risk that could lead to flash flooding. So again, if you are in the area, make sure you do prepare for it. If you have loose items, bring them inside so they don't become projectiles. Know where you need to be. By the time these storms move through in shelter or inside an interior room. And yes, that is the risk here. Make sure everyone stays safe. I will have another update Monday morning to see if anything has changed. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day.